Hi, welcome to another XLSTAT video tutorial. Visualizing data prior to any analysis is a fundamental step. Today I would like to show you how to create grouped box plots using XLSTAT. We are going to use the iris dataset, a sample of 150 irises for which 4 characteristics were measured: the sepal length, the sepal width, the petal length, and the petal width. The flowers belong to 3 different species. In case we had each species in a separate column, we will need to use the stack function from the Preparing Data menu and bring them in the rate format. Let's focus on the sepal length variable of the flowers in this particular example and visually check if there are differences between the 3 species using grouped box plots. We go to the Visualizing Data menu and open the Univariate Plots dialog box. We activate the Quantitative Data field and select column B, which is the sepal length. The different species are represented by column F, so we need to select it in the Subsamples field. In the first Charts tab, we select box plots among the plots proposed by XLSTAT for quantitative data. The Options subtab allows us then to customize our box plots. For grouped ones, we need to check the Group Plots option. Using the automatic one, XLSTAT will automatically detect the number of categories. As you can see, there are other numerous possibilities. Let's color the box plot inside, but also by group, and display labels below the box plot. We click OK to generate the results. As we can see, 1 box plot per species is displayed in a single graph. We may suggest that the sepal length is higher for the 3rd species compared to the first 2. For the full interpretation, have a look at the link in the video description. Thanks for watching!